Hello students, today we are going to continue our exercise 2.1 linear equations in one variable. Today's first question is number 19. This is a compound question, so see it very carefully. 9x plus 7 whole upon 2 minus bracket start x minus 2 upon 7 equals to 36. This x is separate and this x minus 2 upon 7 is separate. So first we have to solve the bracket. Put here a minus and this will be curly bracket, and we will put a 1 here below x minus 2 upon 7, curly bracket close, equals to 36. Nine x plus 7 upon 2 minus curly bracket start. We will take the LCM of this 1 and 7. The LCM is 7. Now 7 divided by 1 is 7 and 7 into x is 7x. Put here a minus sign, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. We will put here 1 and this x minus 2 inside the bracket. Okay, equals to 36. Next step, we will open the bracket, this one. So 7x minus 1 will change the sign of these two. X becomes minus x and this minus 2 becomes plus 2 whole upon 7, like this. 9x plus 7 upon 2 minus 7x minus x gives you 6x plus 2 whole upon 7. Now the curly bracket is solved, equals to 36. Now we will take the LCM of 2 and 7. LCM is 14. 2 7 ja 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7 and 7 is to be multiplied by this binomial. We will put here 7 and 9x plus 7 inside the bracket minus 14 divided by 7 is 2. We will put here 2 and 6x plus 2 inside the bracket equals to 36. Next step, we will open the bracket. 7 9 ja 63. 7 7 ja 49. Minus 2 into 6x gives you minus 12x. Minus 2 into 2 gives you minus 4 whole upon 14 equals to 36, like this. Now 63 minus 12 gives you 51. And 49 minus 4 gives you positive 45 upon 14 equal to 36. Now the variable term cannot be added to the constant term, so just we have to cross multiply here. 1 multiply to this will remain as it is, and 36 multiplied by 14 gives you 504. You can multiply it, and now this positive 45 will be transposed to the right hand side, so it will become minus 45 on that side. 51x equals to 504 minus 45. 51x equals to 504 minus 45. 504 minus 45 gives you 459, and this 51 comes down. Now 3 17 ja 51, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Again 17 1s are 17 9s are. So the value of x is 9 for this part. Okay, students, this is also the same type of question, but I'll solve it for you. First we'll read the question. 2 bracket start 2x minus 1 bracket close whole upon 5 equals to x minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole upon 2 equals to 0. So this is a one separate value and this is one separate value, and between them is a negative sign. So we'll first open this bracket. 2 to the 4, it is 4x. 2 1s are 2. Now the LCM of 5 and 2 is to be taken. It is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. We'll put here 2 and 4x minus 2 here, minus 10 divided by 2 is 5. We'll put here 5 and x minus 1 equals to 0. Now 2 4s is 8, 2 2s is 4. Don't forget to multiply the outside number with both the numbers. Okay. Now 5 into x gives you 5x, and minus 5 into minus 1 gives you plus 5. Equals to 0. Now 8x minus 5x gives you 3x. This minus 4 plus 5 gives you plus 1, and this 10 will be multiplied to this one with cross multiplication rule. So 10 into 0 gives you 0. 3x equals to 0. This plus 1 becomes here minus 1. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and this 3 comes down, and this is the answer for this part. Students, next part is 21. First we'll read the question. 3x minus 4 whole upon 5 plus 3x plus 1 whole upon 6 equals to 7 upon 15. So first we will read the we will take the LCM of 5 and 6. It is 30. 5 6 are 30. Now 30 divided by 5 gives you 6. We'll put here 6 and 3x minus 4 inside the bracket, plus 30 divided by 6 gives you 5. We'll put here 5 and 3x plus 1 inside the bracket. This is the easy way to open the bracket. Here you can make a mistake if you do directly. Now 6 3s is 18 x, and 6 4s are 24, plus 5 3s are 15 x, and 5 1s is 5. Seven upon 15. 18 plus 15, these both are the x terms, so they will be added. 18 plus 15 gives you 33. X minus 24 plus 5 gives you minus 19. Put here minus 19 upon 30 equals to 7 upon 15. Now this is the x term, this is constant, so there cannot be subtracted. So we'll do the cross multiplication here. X term will be on the left hand side, so 15 will be multiplied to this one on the left hand side. 15 multiplied by 3x minus 19 and 30 multiplied by 7. And 15 into 33 gives you 495. 15 into 19 gives you 285. 30 into 7 gives you 210. Now this constant value will be transposed to right hand side. 495 will be as it is. 210 plus 285. Now 210 plus 285 gives you 495. Here also 495. And now 495. This 495 will come down. 1 So the value of x is 1 in this part. Okay. These are the rest of the two parts. 21 first part, 9 minus x minus 6 inside the bracket equals to 2x. This is the simple question. You should do this yourself. Okay. And now I'm going to do second part for you. 3x plus 5 into x gives you 5x, and 5 into minus 1 gives you minus 5. 2x plus 7 will be as it is. 3x plus 5x gives you 8x. So this is 8x minus 5. 8x, this 2x comes to the left hand side, becomes negative. This minus 5 becomes plus 5 here and equal to 7. 8x minus 2x gives you 6x. 5 plus 7 gives you 12, and x is equals to 12 upon 6. 6 1s are 6 2s are. So the value of x is 2. Hence the exercise is now finished. We will continue exercise 2.2 tomorrow. Thank you.